Should you upgrade or renovate your house before selling it on the market? The answer is yes or maybe, but that's where a realtor like myself can come in and help you decide what should be renovated and what can be left alone in terms of return on investment. So generally, kitchens and bathrooms are the areas that people look at. Those are the most appealing. So hopefully you can have those renovated if it's very outdated. First impressions make a big difference. Secondly, buyers do feel overwhelmed if the HVAC, the roof, and the windows are not replaced, and they need to replace it soon after moving in. So that can definitely make a home more appealing if that's been renovated as well. Overall, buyers really do like move-in ready, and that's because they have to pay down payment, closing costs, and then if they think about fixing up all the things that need to be upgraded and renovated, they get overwhelmed. 9 out of 10 times with my buyers, I find that people will opt for move-in ready. They always start off telling me, hey Jen, I really want this, cheap house, low price, and then I'll renovate it. But once they start calculating and adding everything together, they always go for the move-in ready. But the best thing to do is call your local realtor first, somebody like myself, to help you make the most sense on your return on investment.